join Kids Hut family. Tofu, don't talk with your mouth full. It's okay, Jia. It's just you and me. I think the only way to get you eat quietly is to tell you a story. Yes, Jia. Bad habits. Once upon a time, a rich businessman lived with his 8-year-old boy.
Just as his wife had said, she passed
The businessman loved his son,
the mice
but hated that he had some bad habits. Worried about his son's behavior, the man went to a wise master.
Oh, wise master, my son is a very good boy, but he has picked some unhealthy habits which I cannot get him to let go. I worry about him all the time. Please help me. Bring him to me tomorrow morning.
The next morning, the man did as the master had said. He brought his boy to him.
Come, son, let's go for a walk.
The boy obeyed, and they went for a walk in the garden. As they walked, they came upon a little sapling.
Son, pull out the saplings for me.
The boy did that easily and presented the master with the sapling.
Very well. Now you see that small plant? Pull that out for me.
The boy did as asked and easily pulled the plant out. Next, the master asked him to pull out a bush. It took some effort, but the boy did that too.
Now see that small tree, son? Pull that out for me.
The boy went to the small tree, and though it took him a lot of effort and struggle, he pulled it out for the master.
Very well done. Finally, look at that big tree over there. Pull that out too for me.
The boy tried and tried, but the tree did not budge. Finally, tired, the boy gave up.
I am sorry, wise master. I cannot pull that tree out. It is old and strong. Bad habits are just like the plants and trees. When they are new, like the sapling, you can get rid of them quickly and easily. But if you let them stay and grow, they grow strong and become like the old tree that cannot be removed. Forgive me, Master. I now understand what my father has been trying to tell me. I will drop all my bad habits from now on. Dia, what if talking with food in my mouth becomes my bad habit too? I will stop it right now. I will never talk with food in my mouth ever again.
That's great. Thank you, Tofu.
Hello students, how are you all? Here I am again, your TK teacher, Shivani ma'am. So you must have watched this clip about bad habits. So today I am going to start a new chapter, body and health. So basically, if we pursue good habits, if you think of good habits, then only we can stay fit and healthy. Bad habits is not good for our health. बुरी आदतें हमारी सेहत के लिए अच्छी नहीं हैं. That's why I wanted to show you this video before starting the class, that we should all look for good habits. अच्छी आदतें जो हमें अच्छी सेहत और अच्छा शरीर दें. Right? So let's start today's class, body and health. Please take out your GK books and take out the chapter 5, body and health. Alright? Alright. So I am going to start this chapter with exercise B. We will first do the exercise B of this chapter. Please take out your books, children. I can wait for a minute and then we can start the chapter body and health. This chapter is all about healthy food, junk food, good habits, what all we should follow, what all we should not follow, the things we should do, that all makes our body healthy and fit. So today I will teach you about good habits and healthy food. So chapter 5, body and health. Take out the exercise B. Now in this exercise, I hope you all can see this exercise, children. Exercise B. We are starting this chapter with exercise B. I will surely do exercise A tomorrow. Okay? So let's start with exercise B. Color the circle blue if it is a good habit and color the circle green if it is a bad habit. So after reading a sentence, you can easily make out whether it's a good habit or a bad habit. But after reading, you all should apply. It's not that you are just reading it and you are coloring the circle. No. No. You all should apply. Right? So, the first one. I sleep without brushing my teeth. No, it's a bad habit. We should brush our teeth every day before sleeping. रात को सोने से पहले हमें ब्रश करना चाहिए. It's a good habit. But here it is written, I sleep without brushing my teeth. मैं बिना ब्रश करे ही सो जाता हूँ. It's wrong. So we will color this with blue crayon. Okay, color the circle in blue because it's a bad, oh no, I'm sorry, color the circle green if it is a bad habit. So we will color this green. Yeah, because it is written color the circle blue if it is a good habit and green if it is a bad habit. Right. So हम इस circle को green color करेंगे because it's a bad habit. I sleep without brushing my teeth is a bad habit. Please color the circle with green. With green. Okay. The second one. I wake up early in the morning to exercise. Wow. I wake up. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ और उसके बाद एक्सरसाइज करता हूँ. एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ. I wake up early in the morning to exercise. It's a absolutely correct good habit. So please color the circle blue. Color the circle blue. Okay. I hope you all are understanding it. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? All right. Number 3. I use a handkerchief to wipe my nose. Absolutely correct. We should always use handkerchief to wipe our nose. So please color the circle. Color the circle blue. It's a good habit. To use handkerchief is a good habit. Correct. I sleep for 8 hours in the night. रात के समय पूरा 8 घंटे सोना अच्छा होता है. It is a good habit. We all should sleep minimum 8 hours. It's a good habit. So please color the circle blue. Color the circle blue. It's a good habit. I do not wash my hands before eating. Who all do not wash its hands? Tell me. Who all do not wash? Nowadays or otherwise also, washing hands before meal and after meal is very important. To kill the germs before eating food is very important. I have shown you the video many times. We all should wash our hands regularly, especially before eating food. So now here, this is a bad habit. He's saying that I do not wash my hands before eating. No, this is wrong. This is a bad habit, children. Are we all washing our hands? Are we all doing it? You must. It's my request. Please wash your hands before eating. Parents, please don't give them food if they don't wash their hands. Yeah? सारे बच्चे मेरी क्लास के खाना खाने से पहले रोज़ डेली सुबह शाम जितनी बार आप कुछ भी खा रहे हैं हाथ धोएंगे. नो मैटर इफ़ यू आर ईटिंग चॉकलेट, प्लीज़ वॉश योर हैंड्स देन eat your chocolate. If you are eating a cookie or anything, please wash your hands. Right? So we will color the circle green because it's a bad habit. It's a bad habit. Here he is saying I do not wash. यहाँ पर ये कह रहे हैं that they don't wash. So it's bad. I do not wash my hands before eating. It's a bad habit. So we will color the circle green. Okay, am I clear? All right. Okay, the next one is exercise C. We need to eat different kind of foods to stay healthy and fit. We all should know, and I'm sure you all must be knowing that if we eat healthy food, then only we can stay fit, right? But not all types of food are healthy, obviously. So look at the pictures below and draw a smile if it is a healthy food, and if it is unhealthy, then don't smile, sad. All right, so you need to do this. Okay, so let's do this. French fries, healthy or junk or unhealthy? Tell me. It is, I know you all are fond of French fries. I am too. But my sweet ones, this is unhealthy. Made up of potatoes and it is fried. Alright, so this is unhealthy. You can have French fries, but not every day. Once a week or maybe once in 10 days is fine. So it is unhealthy. French fries is not healthy. You cannot eat French fries every day. You can't. Okay. Number 2, fresh fruits. Yes, healthy. So make a smile, a nice smile. Here, fresh fruits. Vegetables, again healthy. Vegetables, again healthy. Right? So, please make a smile here. I'm sorry for the interruption. There was a call from someone. I'm so sorry. Okay. The third one is fresh vegetables. Yes, vegetables are healthy for our body. Every day we must eat a plate of salad, a plate of fruits. Alright? Alright? A plate of salad means cucumber, tomatoes, and beetroot. You all must eat, children. That's very, very important for your health. Okay, if you eat a plate of salad every day, then I will tell your mama to give you a small portion of french fries. Okay? But a plate of salad. Okay? Alright. A glass of milk. Yes, of course it is healthy. Gives you calcium. Strengthens your bone. It strengthens your bone structure. आप अभी छोटे हैं, बड़ा होने के लिए, grow करने के लिए, you need calcium. You need this glass of milk. So minimum 3 times a day. 3 times a day, a glass of milk is very, very important. Take banana shake, a mango shake, a strawberry shake, a chocolate shake even, a Bournvita milk, chocolate milk in any form, children. But 3 times a day is important. 3 times a day, morning, evening, night. A glass of milk is very important for all of you. Is healthy. So draw a sweet smile here. Please draw a smiley face here. And now onwards, you all will drink 3 glass a day. 3 glass. Alright? Make variations. Tell mama to make strawberry shake or mango shake or anything. But must drink a glass of milk. The next one is donuts. No, this is unhealthy. This is unhealthy, children. I know you all are fond of, must be, donuts. But donuts are too sweet. It all has flour. Flour is maida. It is not made of, the ingredients in this it is not made up of wheat or anything. Full of chocolates. Once in a while is fine. But you cannot eat this every day. डोनट्स आप कभी अपने मील्स में नहीं खाएंगे कि लंच हो रहा है तो डोनट्स का हो रहा है, डिनर हो रहा है तो डोनट्स का हो रहा है. नो 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 नो, क्रॉस, नो. Donut is unhealthy, not good for your health at all. It will go in your stomach and stick there. चिपक जाएगा वहाँ पर अंदर जाके. Okay? Once in a blue moon is fine. Once in a while, once in 10 days, once in 8 days is okay. But no every day, not every day, no. So please draw a sad face here. I don't like sad faces. Truly, I really don't like. I like cheer up things and smiley faces. And my sweet children, I am really missing you all. I'm really missing you all. I really wanted to see the smiley and fresh faces. So all of you, we don't have choice. Please make a sad face here. Okay, the next one, I think this is a packet of chips. Again, is not good for our health. You cannot munch these every day. You can't. It's unhealthy. Chips are not good for your health. It is junk. So please make a sad face here. Please make a sad face. I don't like sad faces, but you have to make one here. Now the next one. A cereal. A bowl of cereal or cornflakes in a milk is a healthy food. Maybe a porridge or cereal or cornflakes. They are good for our health. Very healthy. So make a big smiley here. I know आप सबको ये अच्छा नहीं लगता होगा. That's okay. But it is healthy. It has lot of vitamins and proteins and minerals also. Very good for health. But it's okay. You can take this also like 2 दिन में एक बार आप खा सकते हो या 3 दिन में एक बार. मैं आपको इतनी लिबर्टी देती हूँ, आप खा सकते हो अगर थोड़ा कम पसंद है तो. Right? My children also, they are not also fond of cereals and all. But I give them once in 3 days. Alright? But this is important for our health, children. So please make a smiley here. A nice smiley face here. Burger. again is unhealthy. Burger is unhealthy. It is a junk food. We should not add burger in our routines, daily routines, meals. Again, once a week or once in 10 days is fine, but not every day, right? There is so much to eat, children, every day. Why do you want to eat every time pizza, chow mein, burger? No. There is so much variety. Okay? So make a sad face here again. Alright? So I'm repeating this again, and in the next slide I will show you all the answer. I will show you all the answers. Now the French fries, sad face. Fresh fruits, smiley. Veggies, again smiley. Glass of milk, a beautiful big smile. Donuts, no, sad face. Chips, absolutely no. No cracks, no kurkure, no uncle chips, no lays. Absolutely no means once in 6 days, not every day. I request, not every day. Okay, so sad face. Cereals, smiley again. Burgers, absolutely no, sad face. It's a junk food. So let's see. Here, see, I have written all the answers here. Those who have not done this exercise now can do it later and check with my answers. I have done this for you very nicely. You all can see the circles, green and blue, bad and good, and smiley and sad face, right, children? Okay. Now the last slide, healthy habits for healthy kids. As I told you, I really want to see you. I really want to see all the beautiful smiles on your face. I'm really missing you all and our school. But for all that, before you all come to school, stay fit, stay healthy, stay safe, my children, and stay energized. और आप ये सब कब कर सकते हैं? जब आप अच्छे से अच्छा और साफ खाना खाएंगे. And when you will follow good habits. Getting up on time, sleeping on time, eating on time, and eating good healthy food will make you fit and safe. Alright, so we will continue this chapter tomorrow. Okay, absolutely correct. So healthy habits for my sweet little ones. Have a nice day, and I will see you tomorrow with the new exercise. Take care. Bye bye.